Hey everybody, welcome back to Welch's Math Class. Once again, we are in Module 3, talking a little bit about multiplying mixed numbers. We're going to multiply some mixed numbers. Now in this problem, what we want to do, first of all, is we've got the problem here, 5 2/3 times 3 1/4. The first thing I want to do is do an estimate to get kind of a roundabout in the ballpark kind of an answer. And then I want to do the exact work, show you how to do that, so that we can see if our estimate and our exact answer, they should be fairly close to one another. First, let's do the estimate. To me, there's many ways to do this estimate, but what I want to do is first write my 5 2/3. Now, what I'll do is I'll get on my calculator and I'll do 2 divided by 3 on my calculator. Now, when I do 2 divided by 3 on the calculator, what I'll get is 5.6. It'll be a bunch of sixes, but the only number I'm interested in is the first number past the decimal. So 2 divided by 3, this is like 5 2/3, 5.5 and the 2/3 is just a 0.6. So we've got this. Now, we can round that off to a 6. Because the whole number here, 5, this 6 bumps that 5 up to a 6. Now I'm going to be multiplying that times 3 1/4. Okay, I'll jump on my calculator again. 3 1/4, 3 point. I'll do 1 divided by 4 on my calculator. I'll get 0.25, but all I'm interested in is just the first number. Now since this is a 2, it's less than 5, we'll round this 3 to a 3, so my estimated answer is 18. So when I go and do my exact work here in just a minute, I should get something fairly close to 18. Something fairly close to 18. So our estimate over here was 18, approximately 18. Now, let's do our exact work now. To do our exact work, first of all, our 5 2/3, we're going to need to change that actually into an improper fraction. Now to change that into an improper fraction, we'll do 5 times 3 is 15, plus 2 is 17. So my numerator will be 17 and then my denominator is still 3. So we're changing our mixed number to an improper fraction. 5 times 3 plus 2, 17 over 3. And then here, 3 1/4, 3 times 4 is 12, 13, plus 1 is 13. So that would be 13 over 4. 13 over 4. So we've got now from these 17 over 3 times 13 over 4. Now, if I can simplify this, I certainly would love to do that. I'm looking for something that will go into one of these bottoms that will also go into one of these tops. I don't see anything. I think we're going to have to deal with this exactly the way it is. Make it a deal. I'll multiply the bottom if you'll multiply the top. Come on now, tell me what. I guess I'm going to have to do it. Okay, so 17 times 13. Okay, so we've got 3 times 7 is 21, carry 2, 3 times 3, 5, 51, 0, 7, 1. 1, 12, 1, 221. Okay, so we're getting 221 over 12. Now, that's probably correct, but it's really hard to tell if it's close to our estimate, so let's go and change our improper fraction back. Let's change that back to a mixed number. Now, to do that, what we'll do is we'll do 12 into 221, making it into a mixed number. Okay, so let's do the division. 12 into 22 goes 1, that's 12. Subtract, we'll get 10, bring down this 1. 12 into 101, gosh, 12 times 10, that's too much. 12 times 9, 12 times 8. I'm going to try 12 times 8. 12 times 8, I believe, is 96. 96. Okay, so there'll be 5 left over. So we'll take our remainder here now and put it over our divisor, 18 5/12. So our exact answer is 18 5/12. So when we did our estimate, we got 18. We did our exact, we got 18 5/12. I'm very confident my answer is good. based on what I did there. I hope that's helpful to you. You'll jump back to your practice, jump into that and do a couple of practice. Remember, you've got the similar exercise function that you can practice until you really get comfortable with the steps that you're using here. So catch hold of this, and I will see you next time.